BYD brings three EV models to Europe, confirms specs and availability. BYD is on a path of fast growth, which soon expected to translate into millions of plug-in electric vehicles sold annually. BYD is busy increasing production output as the order backlog reached 700,000 units in this July. In August alone, BYD sells about 174,000 units. BYD will proceed to bring its electric cars to a wider audience across the old continent. First countries to officially offer the BYD EV are Norway, Netherlands, Denmark, Germany and Sweden. Deliveries will start from October this year. European customers will be able to see BYD electric cars at the upcoming Paris Motor Show in October this year. Rather than selling the cars directly, BYD will rely on partnership with established automotive dealers in those countries. In the Netherlands, it will be the Lawman network. In Sweden and Germany, the distribution is in hands of Hedin Mobility Group. RSA is responsible for distributing BYD vehicles in Norway and Nick Christiansen Group will be selling them in Denmark. BYD is bringing to Europe are Auto 3, Han and Tang. All three models will be available in all the markets. In China, BYD Auto 3 is known as E1 Plus. It is a small SUV based on BYD's E-Platform 3.0 and is powered by a single electric motor mounted in the front. 150 kilowatt and 310 Nm of torque are good enough to propel it from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 7.3 seconds. The 6.48 kilowatt battery can deliver 420 km or 261 miles of driving range according to WLTP. BYD Han is nearly 5 meter long electric sedan with serious performance figures. 380 kilowatt dual motor and all-wheel drive system gets Han 0 to 100 km per hour in less than 4 seconds. The 85.4 kilowatt battery is good enough for 521 km or 324 miles of driving. Finally, the BYD Tang. It uses the same powertrain as Han with 380 kilowatt power, but its battery is slightly larger at 86.4 kilowatt per hour. It's the same battery pack but comes with different management software. Tang is a rather large SUV at nearly 4.9 meters. It is 20 cm longer than Mercedes EQB. Its battery delivers 400 km or 249 miles WLTP range, and the SUV is rather quick with 0 to 100 km per hour sprint taking only 4.6 seconds. That's quicker than Porsche Taycan 4Cross Turismo. The prices of these three variety of cars have not been announced yet, but BYD Tang in Norway has been selling for a while now, and it starts at Euro 60,400, which is rather competitive for a car of this size and with this sort of performance. I think BYD will make a good market in Europe. Thanks for watching the video.